Okay, so we probably have about 3 hours more to go. So a little bit pro tip for people who come to Vietnam and travel on a moped like this is that you want to make it enjoyable as possible, you know, riding along the country, because if you ever ride on a moped, you would know like your butt get really sore. So along the way we probably make a few stops, like getting some coffee, getting some snack, laying on the hammock, just relaxing. Sometimes the sun is too hot, we just stop by along the road, because as you can see, the Vietnamese people, they do have a lot of vendors that sell drinks, waters. Like over here they sell fruit. You see coconut right here. This guy is riding. So it's interesting for like American or a foreigner, because in America it's very different. You know, most people they ride, they drive, but in Vietnam, as you can see, moped everywhere, and it's like an essential for people, for the Vietnamese people especially. They do have cars and stuff like that, but as you can see, the road is very small compared to America or other places in the world. There's pros and cons everywhere, you know, but it just it depends on us picking our battle. But for me, living in Vietnam is like in heaven, because with the web hosting business that's generating about $2,000 a month. But my plan is to go back to America and to create that dual citizenship, so that I can stay here as long as I want, and I can go back to America whenever I want. And that is like opened up new door, opened up new opportunities once you can travel the world and still making that money. So a little bit about me. I create website for clients, and I host their websites on my network, my web hosting business. I do create the course to show you guys how to build the web hosting business. But if you guys don't know how to do it, just hire me. I will do it for you guys. But yeah, so my life is right now just building a web hosting business for my client, building website for my client, and managing website for my clients, and providing the services like that on the computer with an internet connection that allow me to travel Vietnam for now, because of the COVID situation, you know. That's why I couldn't travel to other places like Europe or Australia or Japan or other places that my heart desire. It's not because I can't do it. I can. It's just that it's not recommended at the points because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Plus, like Vietnam right now is pretty clear about the COVID-19. Hasn't been any new cases here for a few months. Even if there are new cases, they are of those who been quarantined when they first arrived in the country. So that's the new rule now. If you're a foreigner, you come to Vietnam, they will quarantine you for about 14 days in their hotels, and you have to pay a fee for that. And it's pretty hard going to Vietnam now. That's one of the reasons why I stay here for now, because when I go back to America, I don't know when they will allow people to go to Vietnam. So that's why I'm just enjoying my time here, making money remotely, and travel the country. As you can see, Vietnam is still a developing country, so there are a lot of natural places that we haven't gotten to. There are still a lot of places that still, you know, look natural. We want it all, you know. We want the natural side, we want the city side, and we want the beach side, and we want it all. So that's one of the reasons why we are going to the beach city, because they kind of have it all. They have the mountain side, they have the beach side, they have the city side, and they have the wild side too. So yeah. Okay, so we are in Ho Chi Minh City territory. So we're just stopping by to get some milk tea. And okay, let's review a little bit about this bad boy right here. So this is a Honda 150 cc Winner X. I mean Winner. So I have this right here. It's like a luggage that you can unlatch when we arrive. It's like a luggage, but for the motorcycle. And right here I have a phone mount for my phone. It's like a navigation pad for me, almost. This is the Wi-Fi, getting the drink. So this is the you know, the side mirror. It's useful when you go on a long road. You don't want to turn your head around all the time. You want to look in these for upcoming moped or cars. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're just making our way to Vung Tau city, the beach city. And the bike is kind of dirty now. I'm planning to get it washed when we get there, so it can ride smoother. This is what we get. So for the both of us, we only order 1 cup of oolong tea. This is IT. It's very good. And we're just resting a little bit. We've been riding for about 1 hour. So that's the bad boy right there. And we just chilling, getting some iced tea before we hit the road again. No more GoPro footage. Hello, how are you? Hello. How are you? Okay, so this cup of tea is kind of high end here because we never had this tea before, so we just want to try it out for the first time. It's called Phúc Long tea, and it costs about $2.50 for this cup right here. It's kind of expensive. Usually we just pay about $1. When you go to Vietnam, it's like $1 menu everywhere you go. So this is expensive, but it's good. It's worth it, especially you are in Ho Chi Minh City. Alright guys, so we are currently in the coffee shop. So this coffee shop has a pretty unique design. We're just chilling. It's about 1 o'clock right now, and we are checking in at 2 p.m. So we have some time, and we're only about 1 hour away from the homestay, the hotel. We're just enjoying some coconut and resting a little bit before we head back on the road. Okay, everyone. So it's very windy. I hope you can hear me. But yeah, I'm just taking a walk around the beach right now. And it's nighttime, but they have those lights over there. That's why you can see me. There we are. So that's the beach right there. Oh man, it feels so good. I hope one day you guys can come here and visit me.